Well, hello, everyone. And if it looks like we're in a strange location, we kind of are. But I'm here with my friend Abby at my new home away from home, the Falls Village Inn, here in Falls Village, Connecticut. We have been shooting all week. We got here on Wednesday, met up with my friend John. We shot in New York City, Abby. We shot all sorts of fun things there. And then we came down here, and now we're relaxing as we have every night.
Yes.
So introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Abby. I grew up in the area and I've lived here all my life, and I've worked at the Falls Village Inn since I was 15.
And we love coming back to the Village Inn at the Tavern and relaxing at the end of the day. It is the most convivial place there is. I wish Sue were here. Sue Sweetapple, the innkeeper, I think she could share even more of the flavor of hospitality that you have here, because it's just so wonderful. But it's truly the town gathering place, isn't it?
It really is. Yeah. Falls Village is the second smallest town in the state. So there's a really big sense of community here.
Yeah, it's just wonderful. We're in spitting distance of Bunny Williams' home, my friend John's home, 100 Main, where we did the book signing last night. I think in the bar, everybody last night was from
Every single person.
Yeah. We had so much fun. Yeah. We had so much fun. And if you're ever in the area, you definitely want to stop in and have a beer or something at the tavern, but you also want to try their lamb shank, which we have been trying to try all weekend long, but it's been sold out.
It's that good.
It's that good, and the food is just so popular. But I didn't want you to feel as if we had forgotten you. We've been kind of MIA this weekend because we've been up here shooting all sorts of fun things that I want to share with all of you. So forgive us for not being in your home. Hopefully you are cozy in front of the fireplace watching a movie or with a cup of hot tea or something. And that's what we're going to do. I'm going to get cozy in the tavern with a glass of wine. We'll be back this week. Stewart will be hard at editing all of the stuff that we shot. But if you are in Falls Village, please come by, say hello to Abby and Theo and Sue and all of the other wonderful people here that will make you feel as if this is your home away from home.